Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be showing how to download and enroll a snow extender. Before we do start, there is a couple things we do need to cover. One, the role the user needs is a system administration account. If the user does not have this role, they will not see the option to download or access the snow extender within the Snow Atlas platform. Further to this, there's a few other requirements. On the server that you are planning to download this snow extender to, it will need to be able to access the region that the snow extender is located in, as if not, you might have issues with enrolling the token or connecting and sending snowpacks once set up. Further to this, the extender does have some requirements of its own. Network requirements such as the TCP port 443 must be allowed through your proxy or directly to the network, to the internet. The operating system, we only support Microsoft Windows, and to note, it's only supported versions of the Microsoft Windows allowed. We do not cover end-of-life servers, and we cannot guarantee these will work. Further to this, we do have a cipher requirement for TLS. As stated on the screen here, you can see cipher requirements fall under these categories here. To note, through versions, these might be updated and can vary as time goes on, so it is key to keep checking the limitations and constraints of the system requirements for the snow extender. As also noted, .NET Framework 4.8, as well as 64-bit OS, 64-bit architecture for processors is required as well, and a minimum of 20 gigabytes of space free. To note, we do advise more as it does vary on labs and the data coming in from snowpacks over time. You also require 8 gigabytes of RAM, as well as a network card that supports up to 1 gigabit internet. So let's get on to going through the process. First of all, you would like to connect to your snowsoftware.io and sign into your domain. From here, go to the left bar, under SAM, click Settings. By default, it normally will open you in the Snow Extender, but if not, go to the General Settings and Snow Extender on the left side. You'll be brought to this screen, and from here, you can select Download Snow Extender. This will download the latest Snow Extender file, setup file, and let you install the extender from there. Before we go and do that, let's generate a secret key. This will allow us to enroll and connect to the extender to the Atlas platform. By clicking Create Snow Extender, this will give you the 3 different values you can fill in and configure: the name, description, and enrollment site. We do advise to fill in the description even though it is marked as optional. The reason why we do advise best practice to fill it in is so you can help identify between multiple extenders a lot easier, as well as identify where an extender might be installed, as you can specify location and environments. So, for example, if we had a DMZ, we could call it DMZ. It's DMZ Snow, for example. And as you can see, I've specified where it might be installed, for example. Next, you can specify your site. If you have multiple sites, you can select the drop-down and select from them, but in my case, we only have the Snow Global Labs example. From here, you click Generate Secret Key, and this will make a secret key for you that you can copy. If you want to, you can regenerate it, but for now, we're just going to click Copy. To note, this will only be visible on this screen. Well, as soon as you click Finish, this key will no longer be visible anymore, and you'll need to regenerate the key. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. As we can see here, we can see the extender I have set up in this list view, and you can see it's under the status created. If you need to regenerate the key, select the checkbox, select the action, and select Generate New Key. To note, as seen in the messages, this will replace the key that we had made prior when we created the extender connection. So by selecting that, the key that we had previously copied would no longer be usable, and you'll need to use this new key that has been made. So let's go on to installing the extender. By default, it'll be in your downloads folder unless you've copied it from an external source or specified otherwise. Just double click on the Windows machine to run, and you can see it will go to the setup display. By default, it'll be going to the C program files, no software extender, but this can be changed if wished to, if you have partitioned different drives or such. By selecting install, you'll next be prompted to display the configuration tool. If you do not want to open it now, you can click no, but in our case, we're going to click yes, and next it will prompt us to enroll their extender, as by default we do not enroll these, and this is the whole aim of generating the secret key. So by clicking yes, it gives us the prompt to input the secret key. We paste that in and select enroll. As we can see, it says enroll successful. By default, the extender will be put into a stop status, and that's due to the configuration will be needed to have the extender fully up and running. You can click start, but it won't be able to receive any snowpacks if we've not specified the addresses yet. But we can confirm the connection to the Atlas. As we can see here, connection status connected, and the extender name DMZ-snow as we had specified within the UI. Thank you for watching.